Hi, I'm going to show you how to go a server in TeamSpeak, a free server. First open TeamSpeak. Open TeamSpeak, connect, quick connect. Go to this app or connect. That's the app. That's the name that you want. Then click connect. And you can talk here. And I'm going to free talk 1. Go. Hi, I'm H. You see, I'm recording you on this here. You can make a channel. Look, you need a password for it. Just make one. Switch. Create channel. Name my video. Password or now noob. Okay, I'm going to create channel. Here is my TeamSpeak server. Now I kick myself. Kick hitch and kick it from my own channel. And this was my video. If you want to see the app, I say it. That's the app. Thank you for watching to my video, and goodbye.